SRA Watchtower has raised $4 million to advance its AI-powered risk intelligence platform. The funding round was led by FinTop Capital, Jam FinTop, and EJF Capital, following the acquisition of Lumio Insight. The integration will automate data ingestion and deliver actionable insights for financial institutions. CEO Edward Vincent says the funding validates their mission to optimize risk through data-driven insights. SRA Watchtower continues to transform risk management with AI and analytics. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.